your C drive using 4 easy steps. In this video, I will show you how to clean your C drive using 4 easy steps. Sometimes the C drive becomes full. It becomes red color and less space is left. When your drive is full, you can't install any software. Your computer becomes very slow. In this video, I will tell you 4 easy steps to clean up your C drive. Step 1. Use run command to clean up temporary files from C drive. On your desktop, type run on the search bar. Your run command is open. Type temp. Press OK. Select all files. Right-click and select delete. Again go to run command. Now type %temp%. Press OK. You can see all temporary files and folder. Select all files. On your keyboard, you can press Ctrl+A. All files and folders will be selected. Right-click on it and select delete. Here you can see the size of the files. The files which are left, skip those files. Again go to the run command. On your keyboard, you can press Windows+R to open run command. Type prefetch. Press OK. To open this folder, they are asking for permission. Click on Continue. In this way, you are giving permission to access this folder. Now again, you have to select all these files by pressing Ctrl+A on keyboard. Right-click and select delete. The files which are left, skip those. All the temporary files which I have deleted to clean my C drive, they have not deleted permanently from my device. They all are residing in the recycle bin. Open recycle bin. Select all the files. Right-click and select delete. In this way, all the data is deleted from the recycle bin. Sometimes it happens that we delete all files from the system, but we forget to delete from recycle bin. So make sure to always check your recycle bin to clean it. Because if your recycle bin contains files and folder, so they actually occupy your C drive. In this way, your C drive remains full. Step 2. Manage storage settings. On your desktop, go to the search bar. Type storage settings. Open it. Here you can see the options of storage cells. It is saying storage cells can automatically free up space by getting rid of files you don't need, like temporary files and content in your recycle bin. You have to on this setting. Once you on this setting, all temporary files in your recycle bin will automatically be removed. Here you can see the option of configure storage cells or run it now. Click on it. Here you can manually select temporary files and delete them. To delete, you have to select this option. Delete files in my recycle bin if they have been there over. You can select the days. Delete files in my download folder if they have been there for over. Select days. In the bottom, you get option of delete previous versions of Windows. If you want, then you can use this option. You can also manually clean your system by clicking on Clean Now. Here you get option of local drive C. You can see the GB which you have and how much have you used. Apps and features have used the maximum GB. Click on Apps. You can see all the apps installed on your system. You can click on Sort by Size. The applications which you don't use, you can uninstall them by clicking on them and select Uninstall. It depends on you which app you use and which app you don't use. The one which you don't use, uninstall them. You can also get option of Document, Others, Desktop, Temporary Files. Select Document. It has occupied 4.3 GB space. Click on View Documents. In this way, you can see files and folders in documents and can delete unnecessary files. Similarly, you can go to Desktop. It has occupied 1.47 GB space. Click on View Desktop. You can see all the files and folder. Delete the unnecessary files and folder to clean your C drive. Open temporary files. Here the scanning started. Now all your temporary files are displayed here. You have to select the temporary files and click on Remove Files. Click on Show More categories like Maps, OneDrive, Other People, Picture, Music, Videos, and the space occupied by each folder is also mentioned here. Step 3. Change file downloaded location on your internet browser. Sometimes it happens that whatever we download from internet stores in the C drive. It makes C drive full. Now we will check and change the settings. Open your browser, which you use commonly. Like I use Google Chrome to download my file from internet. Click on 3 dots. Go to Settings option. Select Download option. Here you can see the location. Whatever you are downloading from the internet is stored in your C drive. We have to change it. Click on Change. Choose any other location. Now, whatever I will download from internet will not be stored in C drive, as I have changed the settings. In this way, C drive will remain free from all the files from the internet. Step 4. Disk Cleanup Manager. On your desktop, open Run command. Write clean mgr. Select C drive. Press OK. From here, select all options. Now click on Cleanup Systems file. Again select C drive. Press OK. You can see it is written, Disk Cleanup is calculating how much space you will be able to free on C. This may take few minutes to complete. Here you have to wait. It is calculating how much space it can free. Here you can see the size of each file is calculated. All files from Recycle Bin, temporary files, thumbnail. Select all files which you want to delete. Then press OK. Click on Delete Files. Here it is written Cleaning up C drive. In this way, you can clean your C drive easily by using the steps which I have showed in this video. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you for watching this video.